I'm up in Michigan, and I guess we can see that Detroit's written down here. That's where all of the population is, down in the corner. I'm way up in the opposite direction with a resort area up in northern Michigan where everybody comes to play, and I get to live here. It's a great place. We love it here. I wanted to open up possibilities. Limits and obstacles drive me crazy. And so when I found a process that was easier and better and more efficient, then I was on it. And so the tools that I create and the tools that I use and the methods that I use have a heavy dose of safety in them, and to do it the safest way possible.
What is the sharpening angle and technique for sharpening the vortex gouge?
That's usually sharpened by hand because it's so steep. It's like a 25-degree angle. You could set up a grinding jig to do it, but it's a detail gouge that's taking very little wood at a time. How much wood did I take off with that gouge? I probably didn't take off more than, a total surface of a quarter of an inch or 3/8 of an inch of wood that I took away with that. Just making those fine little last details. And so it's not going to get dull very quick unless you use it for everything, and then you've got to really find a way to sharpen it more often. So what a lot of people do is they'll sharpen it to the angle they want by hand on the grinder the first time. And if you want to try to find a way to make the jig go that steep of an angle, you could do that too. Then after that, because we want it to be razor sharp and we're not going to use it for production work, we're not going to take a whole lot of wood with it, we can hone that edge and just take your hone and keep that edge razor sharp, and then it's going to last a long, long time before you need to go back to the grinder again. Promote it on your social media if you will, and pass the good word that we're doing the job up here, and we'll see you in a few weeks.